Hello children, have you read the lesson all of you? The last class we have discussed, it was very interesting one. So now we can do the remaining grammar topic and question answers all. Now see the first one, we have vocabulary part. So what do we have? Main important words in this vocabulary part. See Nana, first one is cloth line. What is the first one? Cloth line. What is the cloth line? A rope on which washed clothes are hung to dry. Washed clothes are hung to dry. That we call it, that is cloth line. So a rope on which washed clothes are hung to dry. Next one, wit's end. Wit's end. To be at a loss as to what's to be done. To be at a loss as to be what's to be done. As to what's to be done. So we don't understand that. That we call it wit's end. And commotion. What is the meaning of this? Commotion. Commotion means it's a confusion, a state of confusion and too much of noise. And too much noise, that we call it commotion. Dye. I told you now, dye means change of the color of cloth. So change the color of a cloth by soaking it in a solution with dye. By soaking it in a solution, chemical, some they add it to the color and they soak the cloth in that, and later they make it dry. Then different color cloth we get it. Okay. So these are the main important words from this lesson. All of you learn these meanings, vocabulary part. See Nana, so next after vocabulary we have grammatical structure. Grammatical structure means grammar topic. What do we have the grammar topic now? It's a conjunctions. What do we have in the grammar structure today? Conjunctions. So what are these conjunctions? There only you have. Here if you see junction. What do you call junction, Anna? You know all of you that is a general word junction. So which place do you call junction? Yes, all the roads combine, right? That we call it junction, right? So conjunction, combining all the roads. Now here, combining words or phrases or sentences, that we call it conjunctions. That we call conjunctions. So that is conjunctions means those are combining or joining. Combining or joining two words. Joining two words are two sentences or sentences. Two words are two sentences. That we call it conjunctions. Okay. So let's see some of the conjunctions are because, if, though, thought, as, as, all these are conjunctions, Nana. So as, although, thought, although, unless, while, while, and next since also in the starting, since, or else you can write and, so, so, all these are conjunctions, Nana. So etc. means, so like this, so many words are there. What are those? Some examples I am giving. The list of conjunctions are because, if, though, as, although, unless, while, since, and, so, or, this kind of words. But also conjunction. But, etc. Okay, Nana. These are called conjunctions. So now see the example. Suppose I did it. I did it. I was angry. I was angry. This sentence they have given. So I did it, I was angry. Two sentences here. Combine this one. Then what can we write? I did it. I did it. Why should I did it? Because I was angry. So because I was angry. I did it because I was angry. Okay, Nana. And see, next one. I was watching TV. I was watching TV. I was watching TV. My sister was doing her homework. Doing her homework. My sister was doing her homework. So, two sentences are there. So, how can we combine this one? So, I was watching TV. I was watching TV. Whenever I was watching TV, my sister was doing her homework. When are you watching TV? My sister is doing her homework. Then you can write, while my sister, I was watching TV, while my sister was doing her homework. Doing her homework. Doing her homework. Like this we can say, Nana. So one more sentence I am giving here. It was hot. We were at home. We were at home. So it was hot. So hot outside. So we were at home. So this to combine it means what can we write? As it was hot. As it was hot. We were at home. We were at home. Okay, na? Otherwise you can write it was raining. We were at home. As it was raining, we were at home. Understood, ma? Like this, we should use the conjunctions to combine the two actions. Those are called conjunctions. Two sentences or two words or phrases to combine them. So that joining them, whatever the conjunction we use, whatever the word we use, those are conjunctions. Those are conjunctions. Got it, na? Understood all of you? Yes. See this one, and then we can do some exercise on this. See children, so the next one we have exercise we should do on the conjunctions. Na? What are the conjunctions? We have learnt. Now, in the sentences, we should find the conjunctions. What are these, ma? Tell me, say this. Underline the conjunctions in these sentences. So, here total 5 sentences are there. And wherever we have conjunctions, we must underline them. Can you find it? See this. Let's see. First one. I put on my shoes. I put on my shoes. I wear the shoes. And I went out to play. So, and I went. One is to put on the shoes and another one is went out to play. Both combined by a word and. So, what is the conjunction here? Very good. And. So, I put on my shoes and I went out to play. Two actions combined by and. Next one. I can't eat my sweet until I have my dinner. I can't eat my sweet. I have my dinner, right? So this is combined by until. So then very good. Until is the conjunction. And see the next one, Nana. I found that the buns in my oven were burnt. Even though I hadn't switched it on. I hadn't switched it on. I found that the buns in my oven were burnt. So one is buns were burnt. She didn't switch it on. So combined by even though. Not only though, Nana, even though also conjunction. So total, even though I hadn't switched it on. Very good. Now you only tell me what is the conjunction in this sentence. Just as she was about to play a prank on Jenny, she fell into the tub. Just as she about to play a prank on Jenny, she fell into the tub. So when it was happened, as she was. Very good. So as she was about to play a prank on Jenny, she fell into the tub. Right? It's going on at that time it's happened. So it is as. I was going to eat the sweets, but I saved them for my sister. So I was going to eat the sweets. I saved them for my sister. Both combined by? Yes, good. But. So these are the conjunctions in the sentence. We should find the answers like this. Okay, ma. So one more exercise we have. Let's do that one. See children, so the next one we have. Join each pair of the following sentences with a suitable conjunction. So here total 5 sentences are there. These we should combine them with suitable conjunction. Okay, you should try. First sentence I am writing. What is this? I like him. I like him. He is very sincere. He is very sincere. I like him. He is very sincere. So why do you like him? Because he is very sincere. So what can we add here? Very good. Because. So write the answer. I like him because he is very sincere. Because he is very sincere. Okay, ma? Understood this one? I like him. He is very sincere. Why do we like him? He is very sincere. Because he is very sincere. So that's why I like him, because he is very sincere. Got it? And see the second sentence, what do we have? Jenny cleaned the clothes again. Cleaned the clothes again. Jenny cleaned the clothes again. She put them on the clothesline. On the clothesline. She put them on the clothesline. So what did she do? First she cleaned the clothes again and she put them on the clothesline. Right? So what can we write? Jenny cleaned the clothes again and she put them on the clothesline. She put them on the clothesline. That we should write it, ma. Okay, Nana? So here what is the conjunction? In this conjunction we used because. In this we used, yes, and. See the third one, ma. She is ill. Third one, Nana. She is ill. She is cheerful. She is cheerful. So what happened? She is ill. What can we write? She is ill, but She is cheerful. She is cheerful. So what is the conjunction here? But. She is ill, but she is cheerful. Okay, Nana. And see the next one, what do we have? Jenny followed the trail. She found the imp sitting on the top of the bed. Right? Jenny followed the trail. Jenny followed the trail. She found the imp sitting on the top of the bed. So where? So Jenny followed the trail, and yes, lesson only na. So and she found the imp sitting on the, here Nana, found the imp sitting, and the imp sitting on the, found the imp sitting on the top of the bed, and the imp sitting on the top of the bed. So what is the conjunction we used in this, Nana? And conjunction we got in this. Okay, one more sentence I'll tell you. First write all these in your book. See the next one, Nana. Fifth one, what do we have? We decided to go out. It was raining. So next one, fifth one, Amma. We decided to go out. We decided to go out. It was raining. It was raining. So what can we write, ma? But it was. See this. Of course that is also correct, but see the meaning of it. We decided to go out, but it was raining. It was raining means already you decided is there. We are going out, but it was raining. That we can say. We are about to go out. But decided is there. So that's why we should write, though it was raining, we decided to go out. We decided to go out. Okay, Nana? So, even if it is rain also, we are ready to go. That's why, though it was raining, we decided to go out. So, what is the conjunction? Though. Write this sentence also. See, children, so the next topic we have, let's listen. So, what can you listen here? Listen to your teacher as she or he reads out these difficult words. So now from the lesson we are going to give some difficult words and write the correct spelling in the notebook. So then all of you open your notebook and I'll tell you the words. You must tell the spelling and should write in your book correctly. Okay, Nan? Are you ready to tell? Very good, children. Now, see the first word I am telling, postman. First word I am telling, postman. Tell me the spelling of postman. P-O-S-T-M-A-N. Very good. Postman. P-O-S-T-M-A-N. Postman. Okay, then. And another word I am giving, Mrs. Smith. Mrs. means M-R-S. Mrs. Smith. S-M-I-T-H. Mrs. Smith. Same word, Mr. Smith. Very good. Mr. means MR. Mrs. means MRS. Married women we call it Mrs. Gents we call it Mr. And unmarried girls we call it MISS, Miss. So for that we write Miss. Like this only short form. Okay, now your children, your kids and your children, 25 years, 20 years above we have now. Theirs we call like this. So Miss Smith, Mr. Smith, what can we write? Same spelling, S-M-I-T-H. Mr., Mrs. Mr. is husband, Mrs. is wife. Mrs. Smith. And one more word I am asking, Shelley. Shelley. Here, Shelley spelling, yes, very good. S-H-E-L-L-Y. Shelley. And one more character, what do we have? Very good. Jenny. Spelling, tell me. J-E-N-N-Y. Write down. J-E-N-N-Y. Jenny. Shelley, Jenny. And one more, milkman. All of you know this one also. M-I-L-K-M-A-N. Milkman. So, postman, Mrs. Smith, Mr. Smith, Shelley, Jenny, milkman. Milkman. Okay, Nana? So, these are main important words. We confuse the spellings. That's why write down and learn the spellings, all of you.